What is a domain? A domain is a human-readable address that is used to access websites on the internet. It's like a friendly name for the numerical IP address of a computer or server that hosts a website. Instead of typing a string of numbers, like 192.168.1.1, you can type a domain name, like www.example.com, to reach a particular website. How does a domain work? Registration. To get a domain, you need to register it through a domain registrar. ONPASSIVE being ICANN certified means they can provide and manage domain registrations. During registration, you choose a unique domain name and an extension, like .com, .org, .net. DNS, Domain Name System. Once registered, your domain is associated with a specific IP address through a system called DNS. DNS is like a phone book for the internet. It translates human-friendly domain names into machine-readable IP addresses. Name servers. When someone enters your domain name into a browser, the DNS servers look up the associated IP address. The domain owner sets up name servers, provided by the hosting service or registrar, to link the domain with the correct server. Web hosting. Websites are hosted on servers, which are powerful computers connected to the internet. Your domain points to the IP address of your web hosting server. Browsing. When a user types your domain into a browser, the browser contacts the DNS servers to find the IP address. The browser then connects to the server associated with that IP address, and the website is loaded. Important concepts. Top-level domain, TLD. The last part of a domain, like .com, .org, .net. Each TLD has specific rules and regulations for registration. Subdomain. A part of your main domain. For example, blog.example.com is a subdomain of example.com. Registrar. A company that sells and manages domain names. ONPASSIVE, as an ICANN-certified registrar, can handle domain registrations. Renewal. Domains need to be renewed periodically, usually annually. If not renewed, they become available for others to register. Summary. In essence, a domain is your personal address on the internet. It makes it easy for people to find your website by typing in a memorable name instead of dealing with complex IP addresses. With the right domain registration and proper setup, anyone in the world can access your website with just a few keystrokes.